We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hey everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong.
Hey, Joseph Ling. And during summertime, again, a lot of people like to go to the water side, whether it's to streams, maybe rivers in the mountains, or even creeks. You gotta take precaution again. Going to these places, they may seem very still, but you never know when the river starts roaming and rolling, and then it's going to be very dangerous. 所以我们今天顺便来跟大家提醒一下，就是如果去这个河边戏水的时候，要注意、要留意的几项事情了啊。顺便也带到一些生字来教给大家，好不好？ First one, when you go to any site, of course, you want to watch out for any warning signs. 警告标示嘛，啊，这个客家话怎么说？
警告標示。
警告標示. Okay, that's a warning sign, okay? Watch out for those. Of course, if there's a warning sign to tell you not to get in the water, then don't do it, okay? Number two, a lot of people like to do this. You know, you have your jeans on or whatever pants you have on, they're long, down to your ankle. Don't go into the water with your pants on, okay? Because if you get soaked and you're wet, you're going to get heavy, it's going to tangle, and you're not going to be able to swim well. 这个千万不要穿长裤下水。长裤怎么讲？
重复。
你一直叫我重复什么啊？长裤怎么讲啊？
重复。
不会吧？长裤是重复吗？
重复啊，就是长裤。我不是一直叫你重复。
哦，重复。It sounds like repeat one more time. No. 重复 is pants. 长裤的意思。好辛苦啊！再来 ，Number 3, watch out for the weather changes. And especially if the water is knee high, you gotta start watching out. 这个水过膝盖的时候啊，真的是要注意了。所以膝盖怎么说？七条。对啊，下面回七条。
七条就是膝盖。
七条人啊。
七条讲那哟。
膝盖是七条。七条 that's knee. Okay, knee high. So watch out for that. And finally, one more thing. Bring a cell phone because if you ever run to a circumstance, a situation where you need help, you want to make sure that you have reception. 手机的搜讯怎么讲？手機，手機
就是手機嘛。
對，
屬性，
屬性，
較好嘅所在。
較好嘅所在。
Hey!
Okay. That is your cell phone reception. Go somewhere where the reception is good. There you go. So next time you watch out when you go play right by the river and take those precautions and you should be fine. That does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼太假？
俺只say張偉了。
客家风情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.